Back again with a new episode. Greenhouse presents a beautiful range of party wear saris today. A few of them, of course, because I can't give away with my cottons. The cottons will be shown later, part of the program. So we'd start. This is on a gachi tussar. Look at this piece. All block printed tussars, and it has been highlighted with this kind of embroidery, all on with katha stitches. Katha stitches on a tussar. This is the achal part. Achal has interesting things. We have used again patches in this sari also. Very artistically thrown. Lot of, and these are all herringbone. This is the feather, fishbone design is this part, and all with fine quality katha stitches. All around the entire body gives you this type of look. Look at this, the birds are highlighted with katha. Wonderful effect, very soothing, classic piece. Yes, this is the one. All colorful birds and the branches of trees, these leaves are also been filled up with katha stitches. Yes, here goes the fantastic. This is contrast to my sari. It will highlight the sari with this blouse. This is costing 11,885. 11,885 dear for this piece. Look at this, how smart it will look. And with that blouse, what I've shown you. 11,885. We have another color. Dutoi toiri hoyeche. And this is the one. This is like this. Look at the brightness. Bah. Design is simple, but it's very striking, with the color combination. কিছু শাড়ির হয় না, কিছু কালার স্কিমটাই এত সুন্দর হয় যে পরলেই ভালো লাগে, মনে বারবার ওই শাড়িটা নিয়ে টেনে পরি ওয়ার্ড্রোব থেকে। वही वाला निकाल के पहनने का मन करता है। कुछ साड़ियां ही ऐसी होती हैं, हर एक बार वही कलर खींचते हैं। Look at this, it's that type of color. And very pleasant, all throughout katha embroidery. And this is oh goodness, this is the blouse piece with the sari. Make a beautiful blouse piece. A blouse, 11,885. 11,885. And they're all silk mark certified. Look at this sari. 11,885. Yes. We've got two pieces this time. Two pieces this time. Plain. We have left this. I have shown you before also, this kind of kalamkaris are very much. This time we thought we'll make this type of design. We'll leave this portion. Ekdam virgin mein chhodenge is portion ko, and this portion I wanted to develop. This is not attached here. This is the kalamkari, hand kalamkari work. Look at the motifs. Such a novel out. Look at this. And we left this portion total and this thing clean. And this is the blouse piece to go with the sari. Yes, this is the blouse piece to go with the sari. This is the sari. This gives you this type of effect. There are two pieces with me now. And this is priced how much? How much? 7,600 only. 7,000. Are you sure? Acha, 7,600, dear friends. 7,600 only for this. Because we have sold this kind of saris. That is why she remembers it's not marked. 7,600 for these two pieces. Look at this. এই দুটো ভারী সুন্দর কিন্তু শাড়ির এফেক্ট। যারা একটু এই ধরনের শাড়ি পরতে চান, অনেক সময় একদম ক্লিন বডিটা থাকলেও আমারই খুব ভালো লাগে এরকম পরলে। দেখুন, look at this. This is such a, where is the blouse piece with the sari? It is there, my friend. Whosoever liked, let me know. I will show you the blouse piece also. They've left it behind, I think. পাবে কি এখন? Such a beauty. It's difficult. Leave it. Whosoever wanted to have a look, I'll be able to click and show you the blouse also. It has a blouse piece. And the sari costs 7,600. It's challenging. Ekdam very beautiful thing. 7,600 for this piece. And a beauty. This is with bullion stitches, so rich. And the color. Gachi Toshore bullion stitch. Enjoy this sari first. Look at the workmanship. Ki shundor kaj hoyeche dekhun, with multiple colors, multicolored bullion stitches. So many stitches, Parsi stitches. Prochur kaj. And with a narrow lower border. Lower border ta dekhun. This is the narrow effect. Upper border has a broader. This looks like this. Unless I just remove this from the back, you won't be able to show. দেখো এটা এইভাবে হবে। This is the piece. This is what it is. Beautiful Parsi embroidery, each motif. Especially the color. And it has a blouse piece. দেখে নিন blouse piece and গাছি তসরে আছে। দারুণ শাড়ি কিন্তু। Look at this. This is the blouse section. And the price goes approximately, I think it is around, because we keep selling this type of designs. This is 14,400, please. 14,400 for this piece. On Gachi Tussar, pure Gachi Tussar. Yes, this is on Tussar Kota we made. Previously also I have shown you Tussar Kotas, and we made some Kutch embroidery. এটা দেখুন. Look at the color scheme. Total effect. काफी प्यारी सी effect है. The color, so many colors together. very colorful. তসর কোটায় কাজ দেখুন আপনি, and the color schemeটাই এমন করা হয়েছে, it is giving that this kind of effect. খুব loud নয়, অথচ খুব subtle beauty. This is the total entire border is done up with this Kutch embroidery. And hardly, not much of mirror has been used. And here goes the palla of the sari. This is the palla of the sari. And it has a integrity, it has a kalamkari blouse to go with this. It has also same color scheme, and this is a contrast color used to highlight the sari. It's given because of this color. This is for how much? It goes for 10,885. 10,885, dear friends, is a very lovely piece. काफ़ी रौनक लाएगी इस साड़ी को पहनने से. देखिए बहुत प्यारी सी है, हल्की है और अच्छी है ना. इधर जब if you pleat it, you'll find out the actual maza of the sari. Look at this. This is like this. So many colors together. So lovely. It's all together. This is sea green actually. It comes to blue. It's like this. Yes. Yes, the friends who wanted to have a look for the colors. Last time I showed on 2 colors. This time both these colors are made. Look at this. Amla wala color hai. And the finer, look at this sequence work with 0 size sequences all throughout. So dreamy. Khub aaram, shaita puri. These are all of your summer collection. Summer में कभी शादी हो जाए, कभी हाउस वार्मिंग हो, कुछ भी काफ़ी अच्छे फंक्शंस होते हैं समर में, तो you wear this type of this thing, tussar kotas. This is the one. Tussar kota, aanchal. And they're all handwork. Total. Look at this beautiful effect. And the blouse piece is not, this is the beauty. पहनिए इसको. Look at this. This is priced how much? I have to find out. This is 9480. 9480. Wonderful piece, dear friends. 9480. Lovely one. 9480. And the other color. Wear it with your pearls. Choice तो अपनी है, but I will suggest. So beautiful. This is as if it's so beautiful. This is the achal part. Achalta dekhao bhalo kore, khub sundor. Look at this wavy turn. So beautiful. The sari is costing 9480, dear friends, with this kind of blouse piece. Blouse piece. This comes last. Yes, we'll show you our Bengal cottons now. Bengal cottons were always very much in demand from our store. I thought, let me show you some more. Look at this. This has a broad border, all hand woven, all vertical stripes. They are also weaving, comes in weaving. And this is the catch, this is the striking part of the sari. This is a beautiful magenta. This is the one. It's all hand woven. These are all handloom saris from Bengal. Handloom saris from Dhonekhali. Priced 3100. 3100, dear friends. This is the one with dual border on both sides. This kind, very corporate like, which is the, the sari is folded. Meena, tumi khayal kore dao na shari gulo. She's just dreaming. Kothay gelo? This is the one. This is the aanchal part. My dear friends, yes, this is the one. Look at the width of the sari. This is the aanchal. এটা কিন্তু আঁচলটা দেখাচ্ছি আমি। আর বুনটটা দেখুন এত সুন্দর। This is the one. I'll just turn over and show you. This is the effect of the whole sari. Look at this. How classy it will look. This looks very nice. এগুলোই নিন। এগুলো যখন সেলিব্রিটিরা পরে আপনারা হয়তো ভাববেন যে কি সুন্দর। নিজেরা পরুন, they're so nice, so beautiful. Look at this. This has a blouse piece. Same color, but it has a running blouse piece. This is priced 2400, dear. 2400, my dear. What a smart piece. 2400, very soothing. देखिए दिए सब पटापट. This is for 2170. Comfortable price for handlooms from Bengal. Book it fast. Otherwise, what I say, you miss the bus. Look at this. They're all handlooms. The checkered one looks very smart. Wash and wear, not with harsh detergent. हल्की detergent से करिए. 2170 and a smart color. You must take all these colors. They look very nice. They are mud colors. Earthen colors always gives you a good feel. Ki bahar shari gulo porle lage. Look at this. This looks so nice, so elegant. Handloom cottons from Bengal. Dhonekhali tater shari, hari baharer shari. And look at this maroon, rich maroon color. এই আর্দান কালার্সের শাড়িগুলো ভীষণ তো এগুলো যে পরলেই ভালো লাগে। It gives that elegance. And And here's the Rudraksh borders, the checkered both sides. Look at this styling. Such a good red. Yes. পুরো না সারাদিন enjoy. And you need not starch also. This is 2150. We are having it in different colors also. এটা তো মাঝে চেক না আচ্ছা this is that central paneling one. Believe me, when you dress up and you wear this saree, it will look very nice. पहनले भालो लगे शाड़ीगुलो, पहनने से ना पता चलता है ये कहाँ आती है. घबराइए मत इसको लेने में, ये काफी अच्छी एकदम फिगर करेक्शन साड़ीज है. Simple sarees, timeless beauty. এগুলো all the time it's evergreen. The price I am just confused. Maybe 2150, na? Yes, 2150. 2150 for this also. Somebody asked for this saree. Look at the width. First, I'll specify the width of the saree. Width is so very. This is around 46 to 47 inches width. Maybe more, if not less. কত সুন্দর শাড়িটা. The rose in red and green. Total effect. What a stylish piece. हर एक साड़ी पहनने को मन करता है हमें. So beautiful. The breezy, comfortable ones. First of all, they'll hold the color if you wash it at home also. The pink, lovely pink. Let me check the price and tell you. These are all on 1500. That horizontal striped one is for 1500. And same here, this one also. Look at the smart display of pattern. 1500, dear friends. Jaldi jaldi fatafat, and do friends subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. You must hit it. And all में भी एक hit कर दीजिए. Then you'll get the notification on time. You will not miss anything then. Oh, we are left with these two. These two, why not? Let us show these two sarees. They are fantastic ones. Black and white. Again, that concept of touching it with this ikat cloth. We've used ikat cloth for developing this saree. Block printed sarees on a woven striped cotton. These are the weaves actually, and this is the portion we have developed. The artisan has developed this. The blocks has been used like this on the striped cotton, made it look like a beautiful one. So beautiful, so nice. देखो. And this is the BP of the sari. This is costing little higher because we've used ikat cloth. This is for 3,100, please. 3,100 for this piece. 3,100. This is, we have used the Azrak ones, Azrak cloth again on this Dhone Khali cotton. Two types of cloth. This also we have used. This is wonderful piece. Again on Dhone Khali cotton. Why it is getting, it's total open. It's like this. Yes. Very interesting. This is the आंचल part. ये फालसा वाला रंग है. How stylish it will look. 2,800 here. 2,800, and I'll show you two more of my cottons. They are waiting for you to see. देखो नेगुलो सब Kashmiri stitches on a beige checkered cotton. Lovely one. Jori check cotton. Jori check cotton e সুন্দর কাশ্মীরি এমব্রয়ডারি হয়েছে মোটিভটা একটু ভালো করে দেখুন simple but good ones. There's a thread, extra thread. I have to cut it and give you. देखो, this is the one. They're all handwork, dear friends, needlework sarees. I think this was 3,600 now. And aacholta dekhechen, aachol is like this. This is the part. The aachol part is over here. 3,400. 3,400 for this piece. Jori check cotton. Yes. This is on a very light, soft green. The same design, Kashmiri work. It's like this. 3,400 again. 3,400. And these two pieces are happening in greenhouse, and I have to make all the time this design. So this is again ready on a ash blue. Look at this color, the bunches. For 4,600, there was a lot of demand for this piece, so I keep making, and I thought I'll show you. This is ready. 4,600 for this. Show me that. Yes. Yes, with this I will finish because again in demand, evergreen design from Greenhouse. It is clicked, and so many of you are after this design, and so you will get this design from Greenhouse. I'm making these designs for you as per your requirements. So friends, it's over now. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for with me for so long. Thank you. Love you all, dear. Thank you so much.